Katana extensions, okay? Set up a cable, roughly the height of your hip, one handle at a time. You're gonna lift the weight up over your head like this. You're gonna make sure that this attachment is at the opposite side of your body. So if I'm training my right hand at the moment, I don't want this to be behind my right arm. I want it behind my left arm. So I want to step across so that now it's pulling across my body diagonally, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna step slightly out from the cable, just a wee tiny bit, and I'm gonna very slowly let my arm come down to about here, a good stretch, so I'm not stopping here, I'm going right down, okay? And then I'm gonna drive my arm up without moving the elbow. I don't fully lock it out, but I come very close. And I come down nice and slow, back up like this, okay? This does not require a heavy weight. It is ruined if you go too fast. It is all about slow, controlled pulsing from the top down to the bottom. And I'm using quite a light weight there, and I feel it after 4 or 5 reps. So these are katana extensions, nice and slow, up and down, just like that. Then do your other arm, obviously.